Greetings from ChargePoint Incorporated. Before we begin the demonstration video, please inspect the contents of the latch replacement kits for the following: A. Hex wrench. B. Repair tool. C. Drive bolt. D. Guide pin. E. Square nut. F. Consumable latches and springs labeled for Type A and Type B connectors. A shim is included for alignment fine-tuning in a future tool update. It may be discarded. Shim is often used as a spacer or to adjust the alignment during latch installations or replacements. The shim is specifically designed for Type A latch replacement kits. Let's begin with assembling the tool. Place the square nut in the tool body. Insert the drive bolt from the side of the tool body and tighten. Keep the guide pin and hex tool handy for future steps. Identify the connector type before beginning repairs. Please do not attempt to replace the latch with an incompatible connector type. Type A. This connector will have 3 oval-shaped cutouts on the side of the connector, has a silver latch pin, and the replacement latch narrows at the tip and uses a longer silver-colored spring. Type B will have no cutouts on the side, has a black latch pin. The replacement latch stays wide at the tip and uses a shorter dark-colored spring. The replacement latch kit will also have a label printed with a picture of the type of latch the parts would fit in. Remove the charging connector with the broken latch from the station. First, use the hex wrench to loosen the drive bolt and insert the guide pin into the pin slot. Insert the J1772 connector into the repair tool and push it into place until the latch pin aligns with the middle of the exit hole. Use the hex wrench to tighten the drive bolt. The latch pin will slowly extend from the exit hole. If you feel too much resistance but don't see the pin move, check the alignment and try again. Tighten the drive bolt until the latch pin fully extends from the exit hole. Remove it by hand. Loosen the drive bolt 5 to 10 revolutions and remove the connector from the tool. Use the hex wrench to push the guide pin out. Remove the broken latch and spring. And there goes your old latch, which is the plastic latch that has a spring with it. The new metal latches are designed to be more durable and resistant to misuse, vandalism, or physical damage compared to the previous latches. We believe this upgrade will enhance the longevity and reliability of your charging station. Let us begin by aligning the replacement spring with the new latch. Install the spring by placing one end onto the plus-shaped indent of the replacement latch. Gently align the other end of the spring with the circular indentation in the connector. Line up the pin holes in the latch and connector. Important: if the spring is not set properly, it may have the potential to pop out and possibly get damaged when the latch is depressed. Insert the guide pin into the latch to hold the pieces together. Squeeze the latch to ensure the spring functions as intended. Load the tool with the latch pin. Use the hex wrench to loosen the drive bolt. Insert the latch pin fully into the pin slot. Insert the connector into the repair tool and press into place until the guide pin hole aligns with the exit hole. Use the hex wrench to tighten the drive bolt. The guide pin will slowly extend from the exit hole. If you feel too much resistance but don't see the pin move, check your alignment and try again. Tighten the drive bolt until the guide pin fully extends from the exit hole. Remove the guide pin by hand. Keep the guide pin so you can use the tool to repair another connector. Loosen the drive bolt 5 to 10 revolutions, then remove the connector from the tool. Place the connector back into the holder on the station. If the connector locks in place and charges a vehicle, then it has been successfully repaired.